So moving ahead further, so next we'll check what? We'll check looping through a dictionary. How do we loop through a dictionary? All right. So for x in A, all right, print x. Now what it will print? It will print only the keys. What if we say we want to print values? Let's say we signify keys, so it will again print keys. If we don't signify keys, even then it will print the keys. What if we want to print the value? So it will do what? A dot values for x in A dot value for x in A dot values. So it is going to print the values. If you want to print both the keys and values, if you print both the keys and values, so we'll do what? We'll basically use for x in A dot items and print x. All right. All right. All right. For x in A dot items, print x. So this is how we loop through a dictionary. So moving ahead further, talking about what? Talking about updating of keys or update keys values or items. A dot items. So this is how we print item, but how do we update that? Let us have a look at that. A of 6 is equal to 216. So 6, as you can see, it has automatically added, taken it up as a key, taken 6 as a key and 216 as values. Alright, and it has added it in the end. So this is what it is. And it has added it in the end. Alright. Next we'll do what we'll add. Let's say A of minus 1. What is the cube of minus 1? Minus 1. A minus 1. If I print A, again it will do what? It will add to the end. So it is not automatically sorted. It does what? It automatically adds it at the end. So this is what our dictionary adds items. Alright, so this is how a dictionary adds items. Alright, so this is what it is. So let us move ahead further. Let us take a dictionary. Let us take a new dictionary. My dic till now we were dealing with numbers. Let's deal with alpha words. Let's take name as key. Sherlock. Alright. Age as key. 28, comma. Uh, Gender as male. Alright. So whatever is on the left side of the colon is name. Whatever is on the right side of the colon is your key. Sorry, whatever on the left side of the colon is your key, and whatever on the right side of the colon is your value. So let us simply print the keys. Alright. So this is what it is. Alright. Now what we'll do is that we'll update the dictionary. We want to know this person's occupation and add it in a data set. In our data set. Alright. Detective. Detective. So I'm sorry. It will be my. If I print A, occupation detective has been added in A as well. So this is what it is. So this is what it is. All right. So my underscore dict. So it added occupation. So let us do what? Let us write address. Anyone knows the address of Sherlock Holmes? 221B Baker Street, London. All right. So as you can see, address has also been added in the back. Now if I write over here like this, capital A, so again address has been added. So this is what it is. Now occupation ho gaya, gender ho gaya. So this is how we add. All right. Now we want to remove this repeated data. है ना? I want to remove this repeated data. So how will I remove? Pop. All right. My underscore dict. This data has been removed. Repeated data has been removed. Or let us do what? Let us run this once again. All right. So address has been added once again. Let us remove the small a wala address. So as you can see, small a wala address has been. So my underscore dict dot pop key value. Key value. Key value and your key, matlab the entire item will be removed. So this is how we remove a particular key. All right. So my underscore dict dot pop empty it will show an error. Now let us have a look at pop item. All right. So let us keep my underscore dict as it is. Let us delete some elements from A. So pop item. So it according to the textbook, it does what? It randomly removes the element, but it is very rarely that it randomly removes the element. It always it mostly deletes the last element from the dictionary, but sometimes it also deletes random any element. है ना? So this is what it is. Now if I print a 5 is the last one. Let us see whether it prints. It removes random element again. It has removed the last element. So pop items according to the textbook does what? Randomly removes the elements. All right, randomly removes the elements, but most of the time, 99% of the time, it removes elements at the last position, but sometimes, very rarely, it randomly removes the elements as well from dictionary.